Once again, the Super Bowl is upon us. Okay, we have the Eagles versus the Patriots. Let's deal with the Eagles first. Okay, green apple vodka. Come behind it with some melon liqueur. Come behind it with some blue curacao. Okay, make it a little darker green. Shake, 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 shake. We pour that into a shot glass. All right. Next, we lay on some pina colada drink. Okay, it's just a drink. There's no alcohol in this part. All right, and then we put some black vodka on top. You kind of get the Eagles colors, okay? Green, okay, a little bit of white, a little bit of black, okay? So we put some grenadine in the bottom. We're going on to the Patriots now. Grenadine in the bottom. Come behind again with that pina colada drink, okay? Put on a little white layer and come behind with some blue absinthe, okay? Yes, the Patriots this drink is pretty strong on the Patriots side. Okay, they here every year. I'm tired of making Patriots drinks. I'm not even gonna lie, okay? Because it kind of sucks, okay? So here I am showing you the Patriots drinks. Yeah, lots of fun. All right, and then they come behind with the Eagles. Look how happy I am to be doing something different. Y'all better win, Eagles. Stay tipsy.